Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, wassalatu wassalamu ala khatamin nabiyyin, amma ba'd, fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. عن أبي هريرة رضي الله تعالى عنه قال قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم يأتي على الناس زمان لا يبالي المرء ما أخذ منه من الحلال أم من الحرام. A time will come, the beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, a time will come upon people when men will not care at all about how he has gained wealth, whether by haram means or by halal. This is mentioned in Sahih Bukhari. May Allah Azza wa Jal give us ability to earn halal sustenance. May Allah Azza wa Jal make easy for us to earn halal sustenance or provide our family halal sustenance. Sallu al Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad.